To indicate direction or destination, to the park, to the office, to school, to the airport. We are going to the park for a picnic. She commutes to the office every day. To show purpose or intention. To learn, to improve, to achieve, to succeed. He studied hard to succeed in the exam. She joined the course to improve her skills. To indicate relationship or connection. To a friend, to the family, to the organization, to the community. He is very close to his family. This donation will go to the community center. To express a range or limit from 1 to 10, from morning to night to a certain degree to the fullest. The meeting is scheduled from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. She enjoys life to the fullest. To denote a comparison, to the same extent, to a greater degree, to an equal level. His performance is similar to the previous candidate. This option is superior to the rest. To indicate a reaction or response to a question, to a problem, to a challenge, to an offer. Her response to the question was impressive. They found a solution to the problem quickly. To show belonging or attachment. To the team, to the company, to the cause, to the project. He is dedicated to the team and works hard. This project belongs to the company. To indicate movement toward a state or condition, to sleep, to tears, to silence, to recovery. She cried herself to sleep after a long day. The patient is on the way to recovery. Common collocations with to the point, to the end, to a certain extent, to some degree. Let's get straight to the point. We stayed committed to the end of the project. I agree with you, to some degree.